Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can mute bad words on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video randomly. It has no audio, but you're just going to go to the part where they say the bad word. Then you're going to split the clip. On the video you're going to mute it. So just go to the... I'm trying to find the audio section. If you can't find it, just right click and then extract the audio. Do they not have extract audio anymore? What? You can just mute it here because it has no audio. That's why I can't really explain it to you. Maybe on this one here, just pretend this is the audio. So you're just going to select this line and you're going to mute it like that. Then you are going to go to the audio section, then go to sound effects, and you're going to find the bleep one. Whoops. Like that. And you're just going to add it like on the video. I don't know why I can't find bleep anymore. Maybe it's under bleeping. But you're just going to add that, and that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.